we now discuss the solution of a problem from the section three-dimensional geometry, and this problem is related to the foot of the perpendiculars. This question has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 29th June 2022 in the first shift. The given problem is, let D be the distance between the foot of the perpendiculars of the points P with coordinates 1, 2, -1 and the point Q with the coordinates 2, -1, 3 on the plane -x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Then d square is equal to, required to find the value of d square, where d is the distance between the foot of the perpendiculars of the points P and Q on this plane. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. Let R with coordinates alpha, beta, gamma be the foot of the perpendicular of the points P 1, 2, -1 on the plane -x plus y plus z -1 is equal to 0. Now let us recall a formula for the coordinates of the foot of the perpendiculars from a given point on a given plane. The result is the foot of the perpendicular, let us say coordinates are alpha, beta, gamma from the point x1, y1, z1 on the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is given by alpha minus x1 by a is equal to beta minus y1 by b is equal to gamma minus z1 by c is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d, that is the numerator, by the denominator a square plus b square plus c square. In our case, alpha, beta, gamma is taken as alpha, beta, gamma only. The point x1, y1, z1 is 1, 2, -1 respectively, and ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is minus x plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's apply the formula here. Alpha minus 1 by a, that is the coefficient of x in the equation of the plane, that is -1. So alpha minus 1 by -1, beta minus 2 by 1, right, is equal to gamma minus of -1 by 1, the coefficient of z in the equation of the plane, is equal to minus a. A is minus 1 times of x1. x1 is 1 plus 1 times of 2 plus 1 times of -1 by minus d, that is minus d, by -1 whole square, that is a square, plus b square, 1 square, plus 1 square, that is c square. That is equal to alpha minus 1 by -1 is equal to beta minus 2 by 1 is equal to gamma plus 1 by 1. So gamma minus of -1 is gamma plus 1 by 1. And when you evaluate this one, that means if you compute this one, then you will get this as 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. Now alpha minus 1 by -1 you take is equal to 1 by 3. Then it will be alpha minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Alpha is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. That is, alpha is 2 by 3. In a similar fashion, beta is 7 by 3. Gamma is minus 2 by 3. So the coordinates of R are alpha, beta, gamma. That means R alpha 2 by 3, beta 7 by 3, gamma minus 2 by 3. So that is the foot of the perpendicular from this point P on the given plane. Agreed. Now we go to next part, that is, let S with coordinates P, Q, R be the foot of the perpendiculars of the point Q with the coordinates 2, -1, 3 on the plane -x plus y plus z minus 1 is equal to 0. Apply again the above formula, then you will get P minus 2 by -1 and Q minus of -1 by 1 is equal to R minus 3 by 1 is equal to, we apply again this formula, minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into -1 plus 1 into 3 minus d, that is -1 by same one, a square plus b square plus c square, that is -1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So when you simplify this one, again you will get 1 by 3 here. Then p minus 2 is equal to -1 by 3. The p will be equal to 2 minus 1 by 3, that is 5 by 3. Similarly, q is -2 by 3, r is 10 by 3. Then the coordinates of S are P, Q, R given by 5 by 3, -2 by 3, 10 by 3. Thus, the foot of the perpendiculars from P and Q we got, they are R and S. And the distance between the foot of the perpendiculars is given to be D. That means the distance between R and S. Required to find D square. What is D square? The distance between the foot of the perpendiculars from the points P and Q onto this plane square. So that is distance between R and S square. And that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. That is 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3 whole square plus -2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 whole square plus 10 by 3 minus of -2 by 3, that is plus 2 by 3 whole square. And when you take 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3, it is 1 square. -2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 minus 9 by 3, that is -3 whole square, that is 3 square. 10 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 12 by 3, that is 4 square. So you get 1 plus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 plus 16. The sum is 26. So thus we got the d square. That is what is asked in the question. We have to find the d square. The d square value is 26. So the answer to this question is 26. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from the section 3-dimensional geometry, and it is definitely an easy question. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.